Hey everyone, today we have a couple of very green cars. These are both GT Spirits. Got them last week on sale from Replicarz. I'll start off with the first one, the Ford Mustang GT500, and I'll start with an issue. It pogos, which means all four wheels are not square. Bugs me a little bit, but whatever. What can you do? Fairly common. On the plus side, the color of this, hopefully the camera picks it up, is awesome. There's a lot of candy in the paint. A lot of metallic. Really neat. Another complaint, the lack of open grills. At this price point, which retail is $139, I expect open grills. Paint is pretty good overall. Interior, from what you can make out, good. Windows are pretty decent. Simulated carbon fiber is pretty good. The wheels, this has the track packs. These wheels actually would be carbon fiber. They did, I don't know, a decent job of trying to get the finishes right. Real life, the car has a 5.2 liter V8, supercharged, 760 horsepower, a dual clutch, I forgot how many speeds, 7-speed, 8-speed dual clutch, something like that. Kind of a beastly car. Too bad it doesn't come in a stick, but what can you do? Very few things they do. For packaging, typical GT Spirit, black box, nothing exciting, with a little picture window as a preview. Next up, we've got this Audi RS4, they call an Avant. We of course do not get the Avant in this country because we're silly. We like SUV instead of station wagons. Forgot the platform code of this. This is probably the B8, B9, if you know your Audi platform codes. Again, another non-open grille. Closed and closed. At this price point, I expect closed grills. Open grills, I mean. This is car number 838. Decent amount of detail underneath, considering it's sealed resin. This had a 2.9 liter V6, I think, something like 444 horsepower. I'm a wagon guy. I think this is neat. Color's pretty good. Since I forgot to show the Shelby underneath, car number 1123 out of 1300. Both of these were on sale at Replicarz, $89. They're still there if you want to go pick them up. At that price, I'm certainly not mad at it versus $130 retail. There's the package for the Avant. So, a couple cool resin cars. I did buy a lot of GT Spirit. I've been pretty bad recently. I've bought a lot of cars, so a lot of interesting things coming up to review. So that's it for this week. Everyone, please like and subscribe.